Well, well, well. Once again, it's snowing. Not very much, but it is snowing. Just never seems to let up. Okay, now it's really snowing. I just don't understand. I really don't get it. Nothing in the forecast, but it's snowing like crazy. If this starts to stick, I'm going to have to leave soon. Otherwise I won't get back to the hotel tonight. What a crazy place. Okay, back on this door. The decision has been made that we're going to rebuild this wooden, you can maybe see in here now how there used to be a piece of wood in there. And we're going to rebuild this in here temporarily, well, kind of temporarily, and we're going to make a temporary door. And the reason why is because there's basically no door available here in Izu that I could find. I went to various home centers. My lovely wife made a couple of phone calls to places. So I have to get one at Tokyo and bring it down. The issue at hand here is that, I don't know if you can see, but here, let me turn the phone around. The issue is I'm just under 6 foot tall, and that's where the door, and that's where the outside, the frame sits another inch or so below that. So I mean, this is a headbanger kind of door. Should be doing this way, better lighting, I guess. This is like a headbanger kind of door. So this is just plaster. So we thought it was concrete before. Well, I guess it is concrete, but it's only an inch thick. So now is the opportunity to cut this up in such a way that we can make a bigger door fit. And the same with the width. We can basically make whatever width we want because it's all not existing. So I'm going to make a temporary door and probably use the old door and sheet of plywood or something, and make that all work so that we can come and go and everything else. And we're going to order another door, and I'm going to have to come down and install that at some point. But it's just the best thing because the door that was here, that aluminum door, it just kind of, I said it's like putting house paint on a Lamborghini. I mean, it's a very nice house here, and it's been really very, very well done on the outside. It's very beautiful, nice garden. It's all been repainted and refinished, and they got this really crappy 1970s low rent aluminum door. That's also low height, as you can see. It's a headbanger, so it really makes sense to change it. So I'm glad that the client made that decision because that's the best way to do it. I know it takes a little more time and a little more money, but in the long run it's going to add value to the house because this is the door that you come up when you come to the house for the first time. This is the original door. This is like we say in Japanese, the genkan. This is the entrance way. And if you have this cheap, crappy old door, it's just better to replace it and put a nice door in. We're not going to go crazy. We're going to find something off the rack that's going to fit into the size that we're going to make it. So anyways, we're snowing earlier and now it's sunny out. Yep, weather in Izu. Anyways, everybody, I'll be giving you another update here in a second. Okay, just a quick little bit here. There used to be a post here in the corner and it's gone now, and I need to replace that. Also, the rot from the termites basically ends here at this corner. There's still a piece of rotten wood here. Actually, I want to take that out. I'll do that in a minute. But I'm going to stick you around the corner here. If you look further down there, away from this rotten piece right here, that post down there is solid. So that's good. I mean, basically, the rest of the wall isn't in peril. So I'm really happy about that. So just got to replace what I can see is rotten out here. Okay, I just wanted to show you, I got rid of all the rotten wood and all of the busted, like the concrete chunks that were hanging around. So I have a good place to put the new wood up in there. Oh, sorry. And that's all good. Same with over here. I had those to kind of dig out the bottom part here. So I've got a good place to put the wood. And I got rid of all the rotten wood and the rusted nails and the chunks of concrete that were sticking out that were in my way. So now I can start rebuilding. Well, today was one of those days where the only good thing I can say about today is that it's over. Just a frustrating day of chasing my tail and trying to figure stuff out and looking for this and looking for that and having to adjust on the fly and come up with a new solution. So this is a temporary door that I've built. I've put wood in all the way around to here, and in the back there, and in the top, and up above there, and so that's all good. This wood here on the very outside could very well come out when the new door comes. But for right now, this is the door. Now, it doesn't quite fit. It sticks just a little bit. And but at least it's opening the right way now. It's opening out instead of in. And I also still got to fill in that threshold. And then it's just rubbing here in the corner ever so slightly. I got to just hit it with the planer. But the problem I'm having is that the locking mechanism here for this was the lock and stuff on the aluminum door. This is now too thick, and those little ears on that thing there, they engage a thing inside there that is supposed to open that lock, and they don't. So now this door is too thick for this lock set, which really sucks. So I think what I'm going to do, because this is just a temporary door, is that tomorrow I'll take this all apart and I'll take my hole saw and I'll cut a hole that's basically that big on both sides, and then this handle will just be slightly inset. But I mean, the door itself, I mean, it's that fiberglass sandwich of aluminum with a white ceramic coating on the outside. I mean, it's actually going to be pretty durable. I mean, won't be as durable as the aluminum door, which will last forever, but until we get another door, because I'm not exactly sure when I'm coming down next, because my schedule has gotten extremely busy, and I'm not sure when the client wants to come down and use his house. I don't blame him. I'm sure he wants to come down soon and come down for a weekend and relax. So I got to get this functional, and then of course I also have to get this door here put in, but I'll have that done tomorrow. That shouldn't be a problem. And there's a bunch of other small things here I still got to do. But yeah, one of those days today. Okay, I just thought I'd sign off here. I wanted to say to everybody, thanks a lot for commenting and for the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I'd really appreciate it. This has been a very long, strange build, but it's coming along nicely. The laundry room is essentially done. I'd say 99.8%. There's just a couple small little things. And the doors are going to get done. That temporary door it'll be great when I leave. It'll be totally functional and everything else. And then when I'm in Tokyo, I'll order a proper outside exterior door for there, and then I'll have to come down and install that at some point. Unfortunately, my schedule is getting extremely busy from now, but I will be able to get done. Next time I come down to put that door in, it should take only a couple of days, so I won't come down for a week like this time. I still got a few days. I mean, I got full day tomorrow and most of Saturday left. And I still got quite a few other things to do around here as well. I don't know if I'm going to get to them. I've got to get the doors done. That's primary. And then I'll be moving on from there. Anyways, everybody, take care. And please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.